Discuss about what is electric field. Electric field or field intensity. Now, suppose you have a charge body, positive charge body. Suppose Q is equal to say 50 coulomb. Lines of force originating from positive, on the surface, right? Now this around the charge, there is a field. When do you say there is a field? You keep some charge. Suppose it shows some electrical effect. What is electrostatic effect? If I keep 1 coulomb of charge here, this is positive, it will have a repulsion, the force of repulsion on unit charge. How much? This is 50 coulomb. There was a 5 Newton for your convenience. Let us assume that because of 50 coulomb I am getting 5 Newton if I keep it 1 meter. On the other hand, when I keep it the same 1 coulomb, bit far off distance, this is R1. But to R2, what will happen? Distance is more, no? Force is inversely proportional to square of the distance. That force will be 0.1 Newton. Very less it goes. When I go very far further, I will not experience any force. Force is zero. This is infinity, large distance. As you come closer and closer, what will happen? Force of repulsion will be more. Understood? Therefore, what is electric field? The electric field is what? Is the region. It is the area or region around which electrostatic effect is felt or electrical effect is felt or electrostatic effect. What is electrostatic effect here? It experiences the force of repulsion in this case. We keep a unit positive charge. I don't think any unit negative charge is there. We assume always unit positive charge like this. Now this field is not constant. Here 5 Newton, 0.1 Newton per coulomb, 0.1 Newton per coulomb, like that it goes. The field is not uniform. How to represent the uniform field? A uniform field is represented by parallel lines. Right? Therefore, the electric intensity is equal to say 4 Newton per coulomb, I write it. Sometimes volt per meter also they use it, but Newton per coulomb I write it because 4 lines. Now, if I place a charge 1 coulomb, it experiences a force of say 2 Newton. Right? Here also I keep 1 coulomb, 2 Newton. Here also I will keep 2 Newton. That means the force experienced by a unit charge is what? 2 Newton, both magnitude and direction. In all the places, wherever you move, right? Someone from position. Here I keep it, here I keep it, here I keep it. Distance, immaterial of distance. The electric field is constant. The electric field is remain always constant. That is what? 2 Newton in magnitude, Newton per coulomb, irrespective of the distance. Right? Then it's called uniform field. How to define uniform field? Uniform field in which force experienced by a unit positive charge remain constant both in magnitude and direction. It's called uniform field. Now, see, this is the uniform electric field. E is equal to say 10 Newton per coulomb. What I have to write? Here 1, 2, 3, 4 electric field 10 unit Newton per coulomb. Put our parallel line. Line parallel to this distance axis is called uniform field. Now, if I keep a positive charge here, say 1 coulomb, it experiences a force of say 3 Newton. If I keep here also, it experiences a force of 3 Newton. If I keep here 3 Newton, wherever you keep it. Therefore, if I keep 4 charges, that is Q naught is equal to 4 Coulomb, I will keep it. Each one will experience 3 Newton, 3 Newton, 3 Newton, 3 Newton. Therefore, what is total force? Force is what? 4 3 is 12 Newton. Is it not? Or force is equal to 4 into 3 Newton. This is what? Q naught. This is Q naught. What is E? Magnitude of E. The force is equal to QE. Therefore, in general, what you observe? If this is the space in which uniform electric field, in a uniform electric field, I keep a test charge, it experiences a force, force is equal to Q naught E. Understood? Now, if I keep a Q naught positive charge, force is this direction. If I keep a negative charge minus Q naught, force will be in this direction. Understood? What is the force? Force is equal to Q naught by E. Therefore, electric intensity is force per unit charge, Newton per Coulomb. This is for uniform field. Uniform field. Therefore, you have 2 types of uniform field. One is what? Uniform field is like this. Electric field is uniform. Non-uniform field, point charge. We are already for point charge. If Q is the point charge, plus if I keep at a distance, if you keep a unit charge, it experiences a force of 12 Newton. Here, force 6 Newton. If you keep it here, 2 Newton. Here, if you keep it 0.1 Newton, like this decreasing. As R1, R2, R3, R4, say R1, R2, R3, R4 and so on. In such case, how to write it now? R increases electric field due to the point charge. Then what? Here more. As you go away from this race, therefore it will be like this. This is non-uniform field. Therefore, E at that point is inversely proportional to R square. This derivation we have done already. Right? What is electric field? Uniform electric field, non-uniform electric field. See, sometime you are going to have in a uniform electric field, I keep a charge Q. E is the electric field. What is the force? Force is equal to Q into E. Now, this where we are going to do this now? Look, somewhere you are going to learn. Instead of Q, suppose Q happens to be an electron. Q happens to be an electron. This is a uniform electric field. What is the force here? You can easily calculate the force. The force is equal to Q naught E. Q naught is what? E, no? Minus E, right? Into E, force. What is force? Mass into